Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do practice of conversation skill. I want to tell something about oral or verbal communication. Oral or verbal communication describes any type of interaction between individuals which makes use of words and involves speaking and listening. Example of oral communication are given in your book, as you know, and sometimes we have done practice in our classroom as well as we do in exams. Actually, the main purpose of an oral presentation is to present subject content in an organized, concise, and effective manner to a live audience. When you are going to deliver an oral presentation, here are some points given. It is necessary to keep it in your mind while doing any conversation. Be friendly. People who communicate with a friendly tone and warm smile almost always have the edge. Whenever you are going to do any conversation, your expression should be friendly. Think before you are speaking. Your vocabulary should be much precise and it should be clear. And it is also necessary that you should not talk too much. There should be not lengthy talk. Be your authentic self. When you are going to say something, there should be some evidence or proof. Practice humility. When the other person is saying something, it is also necessary to listen him carefully. Speak with confidence. Confidence is very important for conversation. Focus on your body language. When you are going to say something, your body language should also focus it. Be concise and follow the given time limit. As you know, the time is assigned to you and it is important to follow the given time. Learn the art of listening. When the other person is speaking, it is also necessary to listen him carefully. If you are a good listener, then you can also become a good speaker. Here an example of a conversation is given, but it is not compulsory to follow the same. You can follow the pattern, but you can speak by your own. The topic is discuss the reason of banning the Basant festival. Ali, hello, how are you? Umar, I am fine. I want to discuss an important topic to you. Ali, yes, please. Can you tell why Basant festival is banned in Pakistan? I think it was a great source of joy and entertainment for public. Ali, you are right. Basically, it was banned in 2007 as number of deaths and injuries was increasing tremendously due to malpractices of people. Umar, yes, I have also listened from my parents about evils of this festival. Ali, absolutely right. Hundreds of children and adults fell off from rooftops on every Basant. Moreover, people who had been riding on bicycles or motorcycles also became the vulnerable victim of kite flyers. Can you explain me, Umar, can you explain me in detail about kite flyers? Ali, of course. Mostly kite flyers used sharp thread and metallic wire to fly kites for the sake of winning flying contests. Thus this thread became the cause of severe injuries and sometimes it cut the throats of citizens. Umar, thank you. You informed me well. It is surely a good decision of government to ban it. Ali, it's okay. I have to go now. Allah Hafiz. I hope it is clear to you, but you will do it. You will do it. This practice with any other of your partner, then you can do it more well. Okay.